I've walked the whole show. I've seen a bunch of awesome builds, but by far, this is my favorite. Can-Am Defender, completely thumped out, custom wrap, suspension, shocks, our bumpers, the roof. I mean, take a look around this thing and you'll be mesmerized. So they threw our front Defender bumper on it. I love what they did with the light panels. They put their own little touch to it to make it their own. Chrome. Chrome is coming back. Chrome long travel with the customizable accent tabs. Going to change your performance, your style, overall performance of the machine. With our all-new Defender F4.2 audio roof, they really put their own touch to this audio. Look at it. It's got the C deck up top. Really makes this whole roof stand out. With our 360 lights up top on the roof, it's really going to set this machine off, and you're going to be able to see this thing coming from miles away. Defender rear bumper winch ready. They put C-deck here, customizable accent panels. Tucked behind those is dual row 6-inch light bars. Throw the machine in reverse, you're going to light everything up behind you. But look at this. They put their own touch to this. Overall, this machine is incredible. Over 700 crystals hand placed on this machine. Check that out. So if you want to find ways to thump out your Defender just like they did this one, check us out, thumperfab.com. I'm taking this thing for a spin.